Can you hear me? Perfect. Okay, let's begin. Come to a comfortable seated position. Keep your spine comfortably erect. Close your eyes and just for a few moments, bring your awareness to your breath. We're not trying to change anything, we're not trying to fix anything. We're just becoming aware of the breath. And slowly try to calm your breath if it's not calm. Try to slow down the breath. And now, as you inhale, gently expand the stomach, pushing the navel out. And as you exhale, gently contract the stomach, pulling the navel in. Continue this for a few breaths. Go at your own pace. And now bring your awareness to your heart center. You can imagine the feet of your guru, your deity, or anything you like. Yogena chittasya padena vacham cha vaidyakenam yopakarotam pravaram muninam patanjalim pranjaliranatosmi. And gently open your eyes. Okay, just a few general instructions before we begin. Don't hold your breath anywhere unless I specifically ask you to do so, and I will not ask you to do so. And if you have any kind of medical condition, this includes any heart condition, blood pressure, high or low, spondylitis, slip disc, whatever it is, make sure you're doing these asanas after having spoken to a doctor at some point, and you know your body best, so please don't push it beyond its limit. I will already be pushing you, so you don't need to do go beyond your body. So just be mindful when you're practicing. Okay, okay, let's begin. Let's stand up. We're looking very comfortable, so okay, let's begin with our Sukshma Vyayam. We're going to start with neck movements. Exhale, bring your chin down. Inhale, all the way back. Exhale down. Inhale, all the way back. One more time. Exhale down. Inhale, all the way back. And come back to the center. And now, as you exhale, look to the right. As you inhale, back to the center. Exhale to the left. Inhale, center. Let's do this 2 more times. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. Right ear down to the right shoulder. You can use your right hand to gently, just slightly press a little more. Feel the stretch. Continue breathing. Inhale back. Exhale to the other side. Gently press your head down. Keep breathing. Inhale back. Let's do some neck circles. You can either do complete circles, or if it hurts you to do that, you can also do half circles. So just half circles in the front. So for this one, go at your own pace. Just work out any kinks. And at the back. Sukshma Vyayam movements are very important. They prevent injury. They build foundational strength. And they're a very powerful practice. So take your time, be aware of the breath, and relax. Okay. Now let's move our arms. Inhale, take it in the front, all the way behind. Squeeze your shoulder blades together. You might hear a cut, 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 cut. That's a good thing. Exhale as you bring it down. One more time. And reverse. Inhale up. Exhale down. Very mindfully. Inhale up. Exhale down. Last time. Exhale down. And don't rest your arms. Take them to the side. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. Inhale. Exhale. Don't relax the arms. Keep them in the front. Down. Up. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Don't put your hands down. Take them to the side. Are we still smiling? Rotate in one direction. Slowly. Slower. Even slower. Change the direction. Try to stretch your arms out while you're doing this. Really feel it. Feel the burn. Can we slow it down a little more? Do you want to put your hands down? Okay. Relax. Okay. Now, today we're going to try and focus on really opening the hips and the lower back. I'm sure none of your hips and lower back are hurting after sitting, but just in case they are, let's try this. So, straight arms, don't bend your elbows, clasp your hands together and all the way down to the side. Exhale, keep your legs straight. Inhale, come back from the other side. So we're going to do 3 each side. Slowly, mindfully, exhale as you go down. Inhale as you come up. One more time. And switch sides. Exhale. Inhale. Really feel this everywhere. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And relax. Okay. We're just going to do a side bend. So, you can keep your legs hip width apart. Your hips are not as large as you think, so you can actually bring them a little closer. Okay, and just move to one side. Try not to push your hip out like this. It's just the upper body. And breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale up, exhale down. Keep breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale up. Now we're going to sit down. No, we'll do one more thing before sitting down. We'll warm up the knees before. So keep the legs together, feet together. If you have knee problems, maybe go gently, but you're going to rotate clockwise 5 times. Just continue breathing. 4. Try to bend a little more. 5. And the other way, you should feel it in your knees, that burning. 3, 4, 5. And while you're here, just lift a leg. 1, 2, 3, kick. Other way. 1, 2, 3, kick. Don't kick anyone else, just in front of you. 1, 2, 3, kick. 1, 2, 3, kick. I mean, it's a great excuse, but we practice ahimsa in yoga, so something to keep in mind. Okay, and now we're going to sit down, but try not to use your hands. Again, if you have knee problems, be careful. Just come all the way down. Yeah. And you can sort of open this. Feel those inner thigh muscles. And keep one hand down and the other hand up. You can actually try and bring it down as well. Just be careful. Keep breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the other side, exhale as you twist. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now, without using your hands, try and sit. Excellent. Okay. Now, keep your legs apart. You don't want to stretch it to your maximum, but you should feel a stretch. Yeah? And now, we're going to do a dynamic movement. So again, love thy neighbor, make sure there's enough space, and you're going to do a twist. So you're just bending forward a little bit, and the hands are not going like this. Hands are staying straight, and exhale as you twist. Inhale, exhale. Keep breathing. Okay, keep your toes pulled back while you're doing this. So to deepen the stretch, straighten the legs, push down through the thighs, pull the toes together, and try it again. Keep breathing. Try not to bend your arms, keep the elbows straight. Excellent. Okay. And relax. Keep the legs in the same position. You can shake them out if you like. And now clasp your hands in the front and do not bend the elbows. If you need to bend the knees, that's fine. Don't bend the elbows. Exhale. Chapki chalana. Okay, so 5. So just try, imagine someone is pulling you. Again, pull the toes back, deepen this stretch. Very mindfully. Keep breathing. Don't hold your breath. 5. And the other way. Push down through the thighs. Pull your toes back. 2 more. Keep your elbows straight, hands locked. You'll feel this in all kinds of places. And relax. You can just place your hands behind, bring the legs a little closer together, and relax. Okay? Okay. Now let's try to push ourselves a little bit. Okay. So you've done the Surya Namaskar. We are now going to do alternate between the 4th and 5th pose. So you can clasp the edges of your mat if you feel like you're slipping. Okay. Now remember, when you do this, ideally, you want to keep your heels down, legs straight. If this is not possible, you can bring your heels up. If this is still difficult, you can bend your knees. But don't do this. Push behind and drop the chin to the chest. Okay? And while you're here, people with high blood pressure, please don't hold this pose. Keep taking breaks. And just alternate between the legs. Just bend the legs. Just stretch out those calf muscles. Okay, and slowly you're going to come to Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, which is upward facing dog. Don't bring your thighs to the ground. The legs are off the floor. Push into your back heels. Rotate the elbows back. Try to extend the neck. Keep breathing. Are we smiling yet? Okay. Exhale. Downward facing dog. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale. Upward. Exhale. Downward. Let's do this 5 more times. Inhale. Exhale. 4. And down. 3. Are we smiling? Down. 2. Down. And the last one. Check your posture again. And come into child's pose. You can keep a little distance between the knees. And rest. So, just walk your hands forward and rest the head down. Stay here till your breath returns to normal. And when you feel it has returned to normal, come to a seated position. Okay. Keep your hands, feet in the front. Okay. Now, we're going to try keeping our palms to the side of the hips. Slightly bend your knees, just enough to get the feet on the mat. Okay? And from here, your hips or your butt, for lack of a better term, does not touch the mat for the next few counts. Okay? So we're going to do 5 of these. Just watch this once. You're lifting all the way up and you're coming down. I'm not touching my hips to the mat. And then I inhale and come up again. Okay? So let's try that 5 times. Hands to the side. Inhale, lift. Keep breathing. Exhale, hips back. Don't touch the mat if possible. Inhale. Exhale. 3 more times. Inhale, exhale. Try to straighten the legs when you're going back. Inhale, exhale. One last time. Inhale. And gently, carefully exhale and back. Excellent. Okay. Are we breathing a little heavier? Just take a few seconds to allow your breath to come back to the center. Were we all smiling when we did this? Yes. Okay. Yeah? Okay. Now we're going to try to open the hamstrings. Let's just come into Surya Namaskar, Ashwa Sanchalan. And from here, you're going to lift onto your back leg. Okay, so the back leg is bent, the front leg is straight, and now lift the toes.